everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe simple, easy and delicious Gulab Jamun recipe. I will take a 1 packet of Gulab Jamun GRB. We will use any other brand of Gulab Jamun packet. Putting to the packet. Powder will be putting to the one plate. Measurement of powder: 1 packet of powder, exactly 1 glass. Measurement will be important. Salt, add ghee 1 tablespoon, mix it well. Adding to the raw milk as per your dough consistency. Small quantity raw milk will be added. Smooth dough is ready. Rest in 5 minutes. I will take a 1 glass of Gulab Jamun powder, same glass measurement, 2 glass of sugar, 2 glass of water add. Stove is on. Putting to the pan. Keep mixing. Mix it well again and again. Sugar will be dissolved. Mix it in 2 minutes. Add cardamom powder, dough is ready after 5 minutes. Small quantity of cooking oil, rubbing to your hand. Simple roll into balls without cracks. Small balls will be ready. All the jamun balls will be ready to fry. I will take another pan. Putting to the oil, add prepared jamun balls. After heating the oil, fry to low flame. jamun balls will be brown color. Fry will be in a low flame. Same procedure will be repeat. All jamun balls will be fried well. Put into the sugar syrup. Five hours will be rest. All balls will be absorbed to the sugar syrup. Super and so simple, delicious jamun will be ready to serve the jamun. Please subscribe my channel.